Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this session we are going to discuss a question from compiler design. This is from parse trees, or you can call them as syntax trees. So in this particular question we are going to discuss about two important concepts, which are associativity and precedence. So I'm going to take a question from GATE 2018, which was a very important question, and we are going to see how they tested these concepts in this question. So let's see what is in the question, what do they tell us, and what do they ask. So here we have the question that consider the following parse tree for the expression this is an expression involving two binary operators, dollar sign and hash sign. Okay, so this is the parse tree which they have given to us. Now we need to, important thing over here is that we need to observe the different arrangements of various alphabets A, B, C, which you can call as operands, and the different operators which are hash and dollar sign. Now they ask about two different things, which is associativity and precedence. So a short overview about associativity and precedence. Precedence is basically what comes after what, right? So which expression you solve before or after another expression. That is what we talk about in precedence. And associativity is from where do you solve, from where do you start solving, in which direction do you start solving. Do you solve the right hand side expression first or the left hand side expression first? So that is a quick overview about the associativity and the precedence concept. Now let's start with the question. Let's see what are the options. What do they ask? They say which one of the following is correct for the given parse tree. So we need to focus on correct option. Okay, now the options are, uh, dollar sign has higher precedence and is left associative. So if you just go through the options, they have just asked about the precedence and the associativity of these two operators, dollar and hash. So why not just take a careful look on this tree, determine their precedence and associativity, and then check through the options. So this is the approach which I follow. So let's start with it. First we'll check for the dollar sign operator over here. So if you just observe it here, they occur in the tree, they occur at these 2 points. Okay, so also in the tree, if you just observe the tree, the operator or the expression that you'll be solving the first will be the one which is at the lowest point of the tree, which is this one, right? This expression you'll be solving the first. Now which is the operator involved over here? Then it is dollar sign. That means clearly dollar has a higher precedence over hash, because we are not solving this expression first, we are solving this one first. This will be solved first, then we'll solving this one second, and this third, right? So clearly we are solving all the dollar operators first and then the hash one. So therefore this has higher precedence. Okay, precedence. So after solving this one, then we check to its associativity. Okay, now for the dollar sign expression, if you check with, there are two dollar expressions over here. So yeah, I'll just, in order to have a clearer look over here. Yeah, so there are two dollar sign expressions over here. The first one is here and the second one is this one. So if you just imagine, putting it in the expression form, it is some sort of this form, right? Now you see, so you are solving the left hand side expression first, and then you are going to the right hand side, right? You're solving the left hand side first and then going to the right hand side. So clearly this is left associative. Left associative. Okay, now let's check for the hash. So hash, clearly it has lower precedence than dollar. That is done. We need to check about its associativity now. So you can see hash symbol. Yeah, there are three hash operators over here, and if you see in which order they are being solved. So first this particular expression will be solved, right? Then this one, then this one. So clearly you are moving from right hand side to the left hand side. You can also write it in a simple expression form, a hash, right? Some result over here, which is this branch if you call it as z. So you would write z hash, and this if you call, yeah, z hash, you'll have to write e hash f, because hash is involved, so I had to write that expression. So clearly you can see first this right hand side will be solved, then this will be solved, and then the outer thing, right? So it is right associative because you are solving the right hand side first and then you're moving to left. Okay, so this is right associative. Okay, now let's check with the options. So, dollar has higher precedence. These two are saying dollar has high precedence, okay? And is left associative. Yes, it is left associative. And hash is right associative. It is this one, this option. So, clear cut, we have the option answer as A part. So, that's all for this particular question. Mm, yeah, so you just need to remember about two important concepts, which is associativity. Again, a quick review. Associativity is the order, the direction. I'll just write it over here. The direction in which you solve, okay? The keyword that you can remember with associativity. And the precedence is the order of operators, basically. Operators in which you give precedence or preference to operators in which you solve the expression. So that's all for this particular video session. Hope you liked this video. In case you did, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Also, if you're the one who has not subscribed to my channel but would like to see more of such videos, please press the subscribe icon and also click this bell icon to get notified with my latest videos. Share as much as you can to spread the knowledge to the world. I'll be back with more of such videos. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, keep learning. Thank you.